This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by stopping active syncing so files don't change mid-process. Open the OneDrive icon, pause syncing, then go to Settings and click Unlink this PC to detach your account. Once done, close the app from the system tray on Windows or force quit on Mac OS so it isn't running during removal. Make sure any unsynced changes are saved locally before you proceed, because unlinking prevents future automatic backups until you reconfigure OneDrive. Now you will remove the program itself. On Windows, open Settings, Apps, find Microsoft OneDrive, and hit Uninstall. Accept admin prompts. On Mac OS, drag OneDrive from Applications to Trash and empty the trash after authenticating. Once the uninstall completes, restart your computer to release any locked system files and ensure startup entries are cleared. If you use Microsoft 365, removing OneDrive won't remove Office. It only stops the sync client, and finish by cleaning residual settings and folders. If you want local copies removed, delete the OneDrive folder from your user directory, but first verify backups exist elsewhere. Next, open Task Manager or System Preferences and remove OneDrive from startup items. For enterprise PCs, check Group Policy or MDM profiles. If the uninstall failed, reinstall the latest OneDrive and run the uninstall again. That fix often repairs corrupt installers. Finally, reboot and confirm no OneDrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.